If you watch this video, you can definitely make a big difference in trading because I think there is a big secret. The opposite candle or order block is the first and foremost in technical analysis. Almost 90% of the time we will see this on chart one by one. You also subscribe to this channel, like and share because I will show you many better things than this. Now go to the video. First of all, what is reversal candle? A reversal candle is a red candle that crosses the middle of a strong bullish momentum in the market. This is opposite candle or order block in other strategies like SMC, ICT and others. So this is strong bullish momentum and he touches this level and pull back, then going to upward movement. So this is this is order block or opposite candle. Market pushes up and touches this level and going to upward movement. At the same time, this is gold daily time frame. As you can see here, market is strong bearish momentum. Then this is pullback and he creates order block or opposite candle. And this area are opposite rejection zone. This is order block or opposite candle. Market is going to the upward and he touches this level and then going to the upward movement. This upward movement he touches another order block like here. Like this is strong bearish momentum. You also see strong bearish momentum and he touches this level and market is going to downward movements. This is order block or opposite candle. This is bearish scenario and another here is order block or opposite candle. Market is strong bearish momentum and he touches this level and market is going to downward movements. And then also this is market is strong bearish momentum and market is rejected to these zones. These levels are strong rejection zone on order block or opposite candle. And so another this is strong bearish and he created this order block or opposite candle.